What causes unpredictable family-based visa waiting times? Imagine waiting years to see a loved one again, not knowing exactly when the wait will end. That's the reality for many families trying to reunite through family-based visas. Let's explore what makes these waiting times so unpredictable and how the system works. First, the U.S. immigration system sorts family-based visas into different categories. Immediate relatives like spouses, parents, and children under 21 of U.S. citizens do not face annual visa limits. Because of this, their wait times are usually shorter and more consistent. But other categories, like adult children and siblings of U.S. citizens, fall into the family preference groups. These have strict yearly caps on how many visas can be issued, which causes backlogs and longer waits. Next, demand plays a big role. Countries with many applicants, such as Nigeria, Ethiopia, or the Caribbean nations, often see longer delays. This is because visas are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis within each category and country. When more people apply than the visa numbers available, a backlog builds up. For siblings and adult children of U.S. citizens from these countries, waiting times can stretch into decades. The Visa Bulletin, published every month by the U.S. Department of State, shows the progress of these backlogs. It tracks priority dates, which are the dates when the visa petition was filed. When demand is high or visa numbers run out early in the fiscal year, these dates can move backward, called retrogression. This causes sudden delays and makes the waiting times unpredictable. Administrative factors also influence how long the process takes. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services handles the petitions, and their workload can vary. Changes in immigration policies, security checks, and the accuracy of the paperwork can all cause delays. If additional evidence is needed or if there are errors, processing times can increase significantly. For Black immigrant families, these delays can mean missing out on important moments and community connections. The process can be emotionally draining and financially challenging. But understanding how the system works can help families plan better and stay informed. To manage these delays, families should file their petitions early and keep an eye on the Visa Bulletin updates. Consulting with an immigration lawyer can help avoid mistakes that cause delays. Preparing for long waits by building support networks and planning ahead can make the journey easier. In short, unpredictable waiting times come from visa limits, high demand from certain countries, fluctuations in visa availability, and administrative processing. These factors combine to create a system where many families, including Black immigrant families, face long and uncertain waits to be reunited in the United States.